Hello, myself Shivlila Vibhute. Welcome you to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. Children, today we are going to learn grammar lesson number 18. As in the last session we have done with was, where and even the revision of am, is and are. So children, now exercise B we are going to continue. So let's go through the lesson. Be ready with your textbook, children. Was, where, lesson number 18. See children, I have taught you this in the last session. Read the sentences given below. Sarah was sick yesterday. Yesterday the players were tired. See children, we use was in place of is. Even we have revised how to use am, is, are, was and were in the sentences, and when to use was, were, am, is and are, these words in the sentences. Now children, we use was in place of is, as you all know, were in place of are, when we talk about something that has already happened. See children, was and were, when do we use was and were? When we are talking about that something has already happened, that is happened in the past, maybe 1 month before, maybe last year, last month, last week, last Monday. Okay, the word yesterday is also used to show this. So some of the words, not only yesterday, but as I said you now, those words are used to show that these things have happened in the past or already happened. Now children, we have solved this exercise. Even see this table: I, he, she, Raghu, Payal. One person was in class first last year. Now this here, you and more than one, means we, they, the girls, the boys, Raghu and Payal were in class first last year. Okay children, now even we have completed this exercise A. Okay, we have done with this A. Tick the correct words in the bracket. We have completed this exercise in the last session. So today we are going to go through this exercise B, that is fill in the blanks with is, are, am, was or were. So children, now here you can see some pictures, and here exercise B, fill in the blanks with is, are, am, was or were. The first one, my grandma lives in a village. She dash fit and fine. See children, here we are talking about grandma. Okay, so my grandma lives in a village. She, yes, is. All of you will write in good handwriting, is. She is fit and fine. I dash with her last week. So children, you can see here the word last week, means it shows the right past. Okay, so I was. Why was children? Because here I, one person, and it has happened last week. So I was with her last week. The school, particularly his school, closed. Dash closed means was closed. Even children, ed words you can see here, this also show that it has happened in the past. So the school was closed. I went to live with her. We dash happy with each other. So children, here we means more than one, that is grandma and the narrator who is saying this stanza. We were. Even children, you can see this, grandma and the little boy. Okay, the little boy is saying this. So grandma and the little boy talking about himself. We were happy with each other. The picture shows what happened. Okay. Now children, my grandma lives in a village. She is fit and fine. I was with her last week. The school was closed. I went to live with her. We were happy with each other. Write in a neat and tidy handwriting, children, in your textbook without making any mistake. Now the second one, it's a conversation between mother and Shikha. You can see mother here and Shikha here. You can see the picture. Okay. Now mother, Shikha, dash you ready for school? So now mother is asking to Shikha. So Shikha, are you ready for school? Shikha says, yes, I always. What do we use with I, children? I have taught you. Yes, am. Yes, I am. Now mother is asking, where dash your bag? Yes, where is your bag? Mother is asking to Shikha, where is your bag? Now Shikha says, it is on the table. I kept it there when I went to bed last night. Now children, she has kept it here on the table when she went to bed last night. So here it is on the table. Shikha is answering to her mother that it is on the table. I kept it there when I went to bed last night. Now mother, look for it. Wear your shoes and socks. They dash under the table. So mother is saying to Shikha that look for it. Wear your shoes and socks. Which words we use? Are. Under the table. So children, conversation between mother and Shikha is shown here in the second exercise. That is, mother says, Shikha, are you ready for school? Now Shikha is saying, yes, I am. Mother says, where is your bag? Shikha is answering, it is on the table. I kept it there when I went to bed last night. Now mother, look for it. Wear your shoes and socks. They are under the table. Now see children here. My grandma lives in a village. This is conversation between grandma and that small little boy. Now he is saying, my grandma lives in a village. He is talking about his grandma who lives in the village. She is fit and fine. I was with her last week. This last week shows that speaking about past. So he has used here, I was with her last week. The school was closed. I went to live with her. We were happy with each other. Now conversation between mother and Shikha in this second exercise. Shikha, are you ready for school? Yes, I am. Where is your bag? It is on the table. I kept it there when I went to bed last night. Look for it. Wear your shoes and socks. They are under the table. So you have to write neatly in good handwriting. You have to fill these blanks in your textbook, children. You will go to the third exercise. Yes. Here. See, children, here you can see picture. You see, you can see many animals and children here, okay? So with the help of this picture, we have to fill in the blanks, okay? Complete these sentences. Now talking about zookeeper, okay? Zookeeper. Hello children, I dash Bholu. I look after all the animals in the zoo. Now the first blank is here. Zookeeper is saying, hello children, I dash Bholu. Children, again with I. Which word we have to use? Always with I we will use I am Bholu. Right? I am Bholu when I am introducing myself. Okay, so he is saying I am Bholu. I look after all the animals in the zoo. He is speaking about himself, right? Now Swati. Hello, I dash happy to be here. Now here, hello, I am happy to be here. Malini. I dash not ready to come to the zoo yesterday with my parents. Now see children, this sentence shows that talking about yesterday. I dash not ready to come to zoo yesterday with my parents. So in case of talking about past, you have to use I was, W-A-S, was not ready to come to the zoo yesterday with my parents. Now here I dash happy, I came now. Now this word now shows that speaking about present now. So I am happy, I came now. Now this third exercise shows the conversation between zookeeper, Swati, Malini. Okay. So zookeeper is saying, hello children, I am Bholu. I look after all the animals in the zoo. See children, you can see this picture and you can see Bholu here, right? And these are the kids and these are the animals, okay? So I look after all the animals in the zoo. Now Swati, hello, I am happy to be here. Malini says, I was not ready to come to the zoo yesterday with my parents. I am happy I came now. So you have to fill in the blanks properly in good handwriting, children. In your textbook you have to write down these words, fill in the blanks. Now it will be continued, children, here. Now what Swati says we will see. Swati, look at the chimpanzee. It dash a big animal. Now Swati is saying, look at the chimpanzee. It, yes, is a big animal. The elephant and the bear dash also big. Yes, they are also big. Yes children, we use here is. Why? Because talking about chimpanzee, one animal, and here the elephant and the bear, two animals are there, right? So more than one we are using here are. So the elephant and the bear are also big. I think they dash happy in the forest before they came here. Now see children, I think they dash happy in the forest before they came here. Now here this sentence show that it happened in the past. They were happy. They were happy in the forest before they came here. Now zookeeper says, but they dash safe here now. He is talking about now, present. So, but they are safe here now. Swati said, look at the chimpanzee. It is a big animal. Zookeeper said, the elephant and the bear are also big. Malini, I think they were happy in the forest before they came here. Now zookeeper said, but they are safe here now. So children, now you have understood how to use is, are, were, am, okay, these words in the sentences, and when to use these words, was, were, am, is and are. These are the words. So now you understood how to use these words in the sentences, and when to use, for example, for past, which words, was and were. For present, we use am. Speaking about now, we have to use am, is, are. Right? So you copy this properly in your textbook, children? Yes. Now we will go to this first page, children. Now we have solved these exercises, children, okay? So now it will be easy for you to understand. Sarah was sick yesterday. Yesterday the players were tired. See children, we use was in place of is, were in place of are, when we talk about something that has already happened. For speaking about past, it has happened previously, we have to use their was and were. But when we speak about now, recently, okay, so we have to use the am, is or are. And with words, with word I, singular, okay. I was in class first last year. If it is, we are speaking about last year, means past, okay. And we are, if we are speaking about now, children, I am in class second, right? Now you all are in class second. So this is the difference, how to use am, is, are, was and were. So we use was in place of is, were in place of are when we talk about something that has already happened. The word yesterday is also used to show this. Not only the word yesterday, many such words, last year, last week, last Monday, means many such words show that these incidents have happened previously or in the past. Now children, I am going to show you an audio. Just listen carefully, children.
Chapter 18 was, were. Read the sentences given below. Sarah was sick yesterday.
See children, Sarah was sick yesterday. Yesterday shows that it has happened in the past, that is yesterday. So we use here was. And why was? Talking about only one person, that is Sarah. Particular name of that person, okay.
Yesterday the players were tired.
Now the second sentence, children, yesterday the players were tired. Now players refer that more than one player, right? There are many players. So we use here were.
We use was in place of is, were in place of are when we talk about something that has already happened. The word yesterday is also used to show this. Look at the box given below. You will find out how the words was and were are used in the correct way. I, he, she, Raghu, Payal, was in class 1 last year.
See children, I, he, she, Raghu. Actually this pile has been shown by mistake here. This pile we have to show it here, okay? Because only one person pile, right? So I, he, she, Raghu and pile. These with these 5 words we have to use was in class first last year.
You, we, they, the girls, the boys, Raghu and Payal were in class 1 last year. We do not use was, were in sentences when we talk about things that always happen.
See children, we do not use was or were in sentences when we talk about things that always happen, which are a fact, you know children. So there we do not use was or were. Just we have to keep in mind these things.
Example, the sun rises in the east. We always write, New Delhi is the capital of India.
So yes children, we have completed with our exercise and lesson number 18. Revise the whole lesson again. Go through the lesson. Thank you.